Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you several ways to transfer photos from iPhone to Windows PC. Method 1. Transfer photos from iPhone to Windows PC with a USB cable. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Tap Trust and enter the screen lock passcode. OK. It is detected by the computer. Open this PC. Open Apple iPhone to access the photos. Locate the photos you want to transfer and copy them. Head to the folder on your computer. Then paste all photos on the folder. Now all photos are backed up to the computer. Download photos from iPhone iCloud Photos to Windows PC. Firstly, you need to enable your iCloud Photos on the iPhone. Tap Settings. Tap Photos. Turn on iCloud Photos. Then search iCloud app on your computer and open it. Sign in with the same Apple ID and password, which is linked to the iPhone. OK, now go to the Photos section and tap Options. Make sure both options are checked and your iPhone photos will be automatically saved on the default folder. Method 3. Transfer photos from iPhone to Windows PC with iSyncGenius. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Then go to iSyncGenius.com. iSyncGenius is the professional iPhone backup solution to transfer data from iPhone to PC. You can download it from iSyncGenius.com to have a try. Open iSyncGenius. Your iPhone is detected here. Then click the Next button. Choose Classified Backup. Tick only the picture option. After that, click the Choose button to define the folder to save the photos. OK, click the Start button. Congratulations! The photos are transferred to the Windows PC now. Method for transfer photos from iPhone to Windows PC using iDevice. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Go to iSyncGenius.com and download iSyncGenius. This iOS device cleaner can help export the photos from iPhone to computer before cleaning up. Open the software and choose Fast Cleanup. Then click the Scan button. OK, go to the Pictures section and hit the Clean button. All photos on the iPhone are shown here. Tick the Check All box and click the Export button. Choose a folder on your computer to save the photos. Well done, all photos are successfully exported to the laptop. You can have a check now. That's all for the video.